About ready to depart is Transport Express service to Newcastle. Yeah, LNR will be coming, and I think that LNR there is going to Edinburgh Waverley. This is going to Newcastle.
This is delayed by about 20 minutes.
Nice two-tour. That's the cars.
What?
Oh, another Transfer Night's coming.
And I think arriving is the 15:58 Transfer Night Express.
I know Transfer Night Express is coming.
To Manchester Airport.
Come on, please.
185117.
It's the guard. Anyway, Transfer Night Express stopping, leaving Northallerton, one stopping at Northallerton. Ready to leave is an LNR service. About to leave Northallerton, it's going to Edinburgh Waverley.
Something behind it.
Torn. Very nice to give us a torn. Nice torn.
Nice talk there, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I mean, there's cross country behind.
Yeah.
The LNR, that'll be going pretty slow though.
This is called Peterborough, Newark, Northgate, Doncaster, Northallerton, Darlington, Durham, Edinburgh, Newcastle, Armagh, Morpeth, and Edinburgh.
Yeah, this is going to Edinburgh Waverley.
Morpeth, Armagh, and Edinburgh, sorry.
Oh, this is another train coming.
It's cross country behind. The delays are caused due to trespassers on the railway. This isn't too late.
Whereabouts?
Seawood. On the rails,
Nice.
8210.
LNR leaving Northallerton, that's going to Edinburgh Waverley. Speed passed by is a cross country, but about to pass Northallerton.
It's not going very fast due to an LNR just leaving, and it's quite a few delays.
Yeah, obviously LNR just stopped here. The LNR went to Edinburgh Waverley.
Should be able to get the number with the speed this is going, I think.
It's so good if you've got one of these stopping at Northallerton.
This is the 4th day.
Yeah, it's been sunny all week. Nice one, Ton.
Nice one, 2 tours.
Let's go to Aberdeen.
320 or 23 for Aberdeen. The nice turn there, thank you.
Cross country passing, that was a nice turn there. Cross country passing Northallerton, and that's going to Aberdeen. Another cross country about to speed past. Well, I wouldn't say speeding past Northallerton. I don't know where it's going. So again, it's going slow again. It's going to where? It's going to Newcastle.
220 or 22 that time.
Cross country spinning past. I want to say spinning passing Northallerton, and that's going to Newcastle. Transfer Express about to speed past.
No.
Sorry, start. Oh yes, thank you.
Nice turn there, thank you.
Nice turn there. Again? No. Okay, that was it. Nice one, turn.
185,
Let's go to Middlesbrough.
185,
He's not going to do it. Anyway, Transfer Express leaving Northallerton, and that's going to Middlesbrough. That was nice. Nice turn as well. I don't know if you heard that song.
I don't know if you heard it.
HST
LNR
LNR.
to Aberdeen about to pass by.
It's going to Aberdeen, this. Aberdeen in Scotland. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! That was so nice. HST LNR speeding past Northallerton, and that's going to Aberdeen. Electric LNR about to speed past Northallerton. Where's it going? London? It's probably going to London.
Yeah, it is going to London.
London King's Cross.
It's in the city.
It's in the city?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god! In the city! Oh my god! In the city, that was so nice. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Please stop. Obviously the light is red. Class 66. Oh my god.
It's already at the end of the platform.
Oh, here we go. Yeah, it's an orange. It's orange. 64. Let's at least get a turn off this, baby. Oh, this is going to be nice. Oh, you ready, Connor?
Yeah. Class 66.
Oh boy. This is going to be nice.
It's got some DB Cargo UK mega boxes on the back.
This is, yeah, class 66. About to pass.
Looks like 66097.
Obviously, there's another freighter coming past as well.
66054.
Please get a turn, please get a turn. Please. Oh
Hey!
my god! Oh my gosh, this is nice. I don't think I've never got one of these like freights on like. I don't think I've never got one of these freights on this like on the Northallerton station. Oh my god, this is nice.
Used to be DB Cargo UK class 60 that operated this.
And it's going Middlesbrough way. This is going. I think it's going to Middlesbrough, isn't it? I think it is. I could be going to Sunderland. Anyway, oh my gosh, that was so nice. Freight passing Northallerton with a really loud tone. That was nice. Country about speed past Northallerton. I have no idea where it's going. Let's at least get a turn. Okay, cross country speeding past Northallerton. With an alright turn there, not bad. Transfer Express. What stop here? It's going to Manchester Airport. Came from Middlesbrough, so it'll be going to First Can Dewsbury. It's a double transfer now.
On the way is 185
What? What? Okay, Transfer Express stopping at Northallerton. That's going to Manchester Airport. Grand Central about to leave Northallerton. It's going to London King's Cross.
Matthew Strange UK.
Yeah. Let's hope we get a turn off this. Grand Central
As long as I don't
turns.
drop my phone.
Yeah. Wow. Another nice tone. A nice tone. Thank
That was
you
a nice
very
loud
much.
two-tone there.
Please give us another one. Very nice drive on there. Oh my god! Oh
Jesus Christ!
my god!
181 of Mike Williams shirt.
Grand Centrals probably
With
have the
a
best tones.
Extremely loud three-tone there.
Grand
Thank you.
Centrals have the best tones. Wow, that was amazing. Grand Central leaving Northallerton. Oh my god.
He's a legend.
Only are got speed past Northallerton. Wow. Only are speeding past Northallerton.